Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an tagasngi. Hagasngi balai jengka atom session jengka yang dorbar thau an Meghalaya. UMLA ka nongkram ba Arden Milabasayo maj ulawan ra ka jingyatai halor ka Shillong Smart City Mission da ka ba ubo jingkali ya menteri katanat Urban Affairs ubadairu usembut menteri rangba ka jela ba snyau bhalang dhar. Uba Arden ula kedau ba kathong baningkong jengka Smart City ka belasdang usnem arajar khatsan kadai ban penbahai ki benta kum ka jing sumar ka puli puthi ki public services ka jing shong shngan ba ka jing penne pensa e ka maryang. Ndrei uong omla banyo ya ki project ki ba penpau ya ki jing thmu ndrei ka sarkar ka syukan thup tang ha ka jing tei ya ki commercial complex. UMLA ula dawaru ya ki jing tip nia halor ka jing penmi bat bo ya ki open air gym da ga bapan ya ka jing tip shaphang ki jaka bala bo. Bar ka jing lut jing sep baru akawe. Ula bu jing keliru halor ka jing kiu shaprang jonggi project ki bala thep hapo ka mission. Kam tam halor ka commercial complex hapolo ka bala slam bantrei kam. Ula keliru kat no ki dukan kendon bala daki kam ki bala dep ki lalej hapo ka quality audit. Ha ka jubab usembut menteri rangba dhar ula ong ba ka jing ka don ha ka rukam tendering banit penyat ya ka complex. Haga sin ka baningkong ka sarkar kala persyaman Aisha uwe unongshna tangka we ka building. Hendrai namar bom dan nong pan benta ka sarkar kadang perkhat ban ai tender da ka floor la ne da ka dukan. Udhar ula ongru ba namar ba kani gade ka project Komersi bala kershan da ka sarkar preng ba jilla ka hab ban ya ling ba ka rukam tender ba shai ba khoj ban penmi e ka jingmentoi pisa ba bontam. Habayo ban juba ya ka jing maham jung Arden bagani ka rukam trikam kala ban ya pher na ka thong jung ka smart city udhar ula ong ba ka mission kam dei tang ya ki complex ndrei ka kanthup ru ya ka infrastructure ka jing penbiang ka report ka sarkar ling ba ka technology bat kilat kamai ka ji ula ka dawru ba ka kamai ka ji kam shamla kut tang ha uwe project ndrei ka sarkar ling ba ki we part ki scheme kala penmi bon kilan ban ai jing sumar ka kamai ka ji. Kaneka kompleks kadai shibenta jung smart city mission ka pisa ka baka sarkar kanyo na kane kanna ban plut biang shaki we benta jung faroi ka par bar ka jing yarap ikipai ba ong udhar haying dorbar.
The smart city missions at the end of July 2025 is 77.81%, and the detailed fiscal achievements of each project is as per statement placed on the table of the House.
Remember? Arden?
Sir, we know that Smart Cities is the mission launched by the Government of India 2015, sir, with an aim to enhance and improve the quality of life for the citizens through better healthcare, education, public services, safety and security of the citizens, environment, so on and so forth. So when I look at the components and the projects in this list provided by the government, sir, I could not see any project that will reflect, the attempt of the government to improve healthcare, education, safety and security measures and the environment. Whereas the concentration of the government seems to be on the commercial complex. So therefore, sir, may I know the priorities that are prescribed under this mission, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, it is a fact that in the first phase, maybe this project laid down is exactly, there is no hell and all this. So I would like to inform to you, Mr. Speaker, sir, in the phase 2, when the Smart City 2.0 started, say we are priority on this. We are trying to post this important project like what he exactly mentioned. Yes, even all these other projects is important, but yes, we already discussed in the department in the next phase of smart city projects. So we are proposed all this in like health sector, water sector, all this important sector. We are already discussing in the department presently.
Sir, according to this reply, the minister, the government has replied that the supply and installation of open-air gyms outdoor at various locations in Shillong has been completed. So may I know exactly the location of these open-air gyms and the total cost of the project?
Mr. Speaker, sir, the total cost project is 5 crores. So, and the place's location is one is in Governor House Complex, and it's Mount Prem Playgrounds, and Jayao Siap Community Halls, and in Suwats Lakes, in Wahingdok School Playgrounds, Arya Vidyalaya Secondary School, Jalupara Shillongs, and Laban Assamese Higher School Secondary Madan Labans, and Maukar Christian Higher Secondary School, Maukar, and Malki Presbyterian Secondary School, Malki, and Shillong Public Schools, Laimukra.
Next question, please.
Sir, may I request the Honorable Minister to repeat the reply as far as the one open gym at Jayao, where exactly?
Jayao Siap Community Halls.
Sir, I think the Minister is contradicting because in this reply, the answer is supply and installation of open air gyms, outdoor. So how is it that this outdoor will come under the Jayao indoor stadium?
Mr. Speaker, sir, because this is the place, so actually it's not mentioned whether outside or inside, but it's the place is in Jayao, so I will examine this matter. If it is not, but exactly it's the outdoor gym. But as per location mentioned here, it's Jayao Siap Community Halls. Maybe outside compound, I'm not very sure with this. I'll try to find it out.
Okay, thank you. Sir, another question. With reply to the progress and status of smart city projects, serial number 7, in connection with construction of commercial complex at Polo. So the fiscal progress has been shown 100% completion. So, and the minister, I have put a question on this issue also, replied that till today it has not been operationalized. So may I know when this complex will be operationalized and the total number of stalls in this complex?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, recently Honorable Minister of Finance has inaugurated, but now it is in the process of operationalize, and the total number of shops as per proposed in the DPR is 109. Mr. Speaker, sir.
Okay,
Mr. Speaker,
hello,
sir.
please.
I'd like to know from the Honorable Minister about this number of projects which have been claimed to have been completed, where physical progress is shown as 100%. May I know from the Honorable Minister whether a proper, by any designated authority mandated for the purpose, whether quality auditing of the works completed have been done?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. Yes, Mr. Speaker. Department is monitoring from time to time during the execution. So, when we give the completion report, everything is in order.
So may I know from the Honorable Minister the outcome of this, result of this quality monitoring, quality auditing done by the concerned authority?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, the report of this technology, so actually the record is not with me, but it has been done by department. So, for this particular question, I require notice, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, then you'll lay it on the table of the House, as per the rule. Mr. Speaker, sir, in respect to the item of work in serial number 13, the construction of Shillong Business and Tourism and Cultural Center at Police Bazaar. Is it a fact that the project was implemented by a PMC? The PMC created for the purpose?
Sir, projects implemented by MUDA agency, not PMC, it's by MUDA agency. MUDA is the implementing agency for this project.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we may recollect the same issue was discussed in this August House in the last session. And there were some informations which were sought in the August House. in course of the reply, Minister has been asked on certain areas of concern and informations related thereof, but he has sought for time. But as per the rule, the same information has to be furnished to the honourable member within 30 days. If not, then extended for another 30 days. I have not received these replies, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Mr. Speaker,